Welcome to Planet Earth 3. I'm here in the Spanish mountains, where there's usually something incredible to see. However, currently, I've been out here for 6 days, without any food or water. I've been surviving off only mosquito eggs and whatever water I can lick from rocks. This is now my best friend, pillow, and occasional lover. My one hope for survival is that if I continue to narrate, perhaps a BBC camera crew will show up to rescue me. Join me next time, either for Frozen Planet 3 or for wall-to-wall coverage of my funeral. Now, excuse me, I'm going to go try and catch a bird and bite its head off.